In this video, I'll show you how to set any song as your ringtone on a Samsung device running One UI 8.5. By default, Samsung gives you a list of built-in ringtones. But if you want to use your favorite song or a downloaded audio file, you can easily do that too. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Ringtone. Here, you'll see a list of default ringtones available on your device. To add your own song, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, you'll see 4 options to select your audio files. These could be from your tracks, albums, artists, or folders. Tap on Folders. Tap Download or music you want to find your song. Select the audio file or MP3 you want to use as your ringtone. After selecting it, tap Done in the top right corner. That's it! Your selected song will now be added to the ringtone list and automatically set as your ringtone. And that's how you can set any song as your ringtone on Samsung One UI 8.5 or any latest Samsung device. Thanks for watching.